when I need to get a list of barcodes from an Excel spreadsheet, this is how I do it. I open the output and click Excel output. It's downloaded to my downloads folder. Then I open a new window and I go to office.com. Once I'm logged in and I don't have to worry about it. But the first time, I may have to enter my credentials. Now I'm here. I go to OneDrive, upload the file, it'll load, and it comes up here right in the top of the list. I open it up. I open it up and I have my list here. I can get rid of any of the data that I don't need, which is what you were talking about doing. You know, either clear the contents or delete the columns. And then convert the barcodes and highlight all the barcode numbers. Looks like I've got a ton here, so I'm going to just do, I won't do them all. I'm going to just do some of them. Let's do 250 of them. I copy them, and in my search bar, I type Notepad. I open it. I'm going to paste those barcodes in, and then I save this file. So this is the only file I ever save so that I can upload it into Evergreen. Then I can go back to my Evergreen file, my Evergreen window, and go to item status and upload those. So it's a much quicker, streamlined workflow. And one of the things I also do is in my Windows, my Office Online, I close this tab that had the Excel file open in it. And then in my OneDrive, I can just right away use this 3-dot to, oops, wrong one, sorry. Use that 3-dot to actually right away delete that. So it's not online at all. It's a pretty good workflow. It took me a little bit to figure it out, but I have actually feel like I actually really like it now because there aren't extraneous sort of bits of things hanging around, and certainly not online unless I want them to be there.